Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencitan, and today I would like to show you how I did this quite easy half-up style where no braiding is needed. So let's get started. I used some water, my comb, some bobby pins and tiny hair ties. So I started with spraying just water on the top of my head. This avoids the flyaway and makes it easier for me to style my hair. So I'm starting with combing a bit the water inside of my hair, and then with the middle parting already done, just bring the tip of the comb always from one side to the middle and take tiny strands. The line that I'm going to style is the one that I just showed you before, so you always repeat and go on with the same line to the middle. In between, I'm combing backwards the hair so that it's neater when I'm bringing it over. Comb and then take the tail from the comb and bring it to the middle. Always over, and when you are in the middle, you hold it with your other hand. You see, there is no need that you braid or whatever. It will look a bit like a braid later. So bring over with the tail of the comb until the middle. Insert the comb, go to the middle and flip it over. This is the technique, quite easy I think. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Were you able to do it? And if you have, like me here, the line not perfect, you can with the next step correct that. So now I have a clean line. I'm inserting, when I'm in the middle of the head, the bobby pin to hold everything in place. Our left hand side now is done. We're going to adjust if necessary and then do the same thing on the other side. So I speed it up here because you have seen already how I did it on the left hand side. We do on the right hand side exactly the same. When you have short hairs in between like me, just use some water to make them stick to the rest. You see here, I'm just adding it in and then continuing the line, and when you reach the end, insert another bobby pin to hold it in place. I'm using extra long ones, so I only will need one. Now I'm applying a bit more water to the side. This is what we have right now. To lift up the sides just like a triangle shape over my ears. You can comb that through or just grab it with your fingers. And then here you see that I'm trying to take the same amount of hair from both sides. And then there where you inserted the bobby pins, you make a little ponytail. And now we have the half-up style nearly done. And I'm going to flip from the top under. So make a little hole, bring the ponytail through and bring it down. Just once flipped around, tie it, and that's it. Now I'm using some hairspray to fix little hairs, and my right hand side was a bit lower or tighter than the other one, so I'm adjusting it that it looks the same. This is the final result. Let me know what you think of this style. Were you able to recreate it? If you have an Instagram account, don't forget to tag me and I will upload on my story your pictures and recreations. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you back on the next video, and bye bye.